Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a Walmart fabric haul. I've got some fabric as well as some craft supplies. But before we get into that, if you are new, welcome. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any other videos that I upload. I upload budgeting videos, crafting, sublimation, and embroidery. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is this. This is quilt batting. I kind of think I got the wrong kind. This is 100% polyester, and I probably should have gotten cotton because I'm going to be making some bibs, but I'm going to make them anyway, and I will show you how that turned out. I'm just going to lay everything down to the side. Another thing that I got was this mini iron. That way, when I am doing appliques on my shirts, I can go ahead and iron my applique pieces down and not have to worry about doing it at the end. This was about $12.96, I believe. It says it's a steam iron, but I don't plan on using the steam, so hopefully it works just the same. I did get a lot of the remnants. I love those. They're pretty reasonably priced. This one is 2 yards for $2. I love the fact that it's stretchy, and I'll be using it for headbands, bummies. I really want to get started making bummies. I haven't tried that yet, but hopefully soon. So this is one, and I love the color. And I actually got 2 of these. I think these would make cute bummies as well as matching a headband. And again, it was only $2, so I did grab 2 of those. I don't know how well you can see it, but it's got some little silver dots. It's kind of thin. So for this one, I'll probably use it as scrunchies. And it does have some stretch to it as well. So it would make a cute headband also. And 2 yards for $2. I did pick up some shirts because I try to keep a few shirts on hand, and I really didn't have any. These are for adults or teenagers. So I just got a red, black, and a blue one. I want to get back started doing vinyl shirts again. I kind of stopped, and I really don't have any in my shop, so I want to go ahead and get back to working on those. Okay, this little piece of fabric right here, my son just had to have. It is flannel, and it has robots on it, so I'll be making him something with this. And guys, we don't have a Joann fabric really near us. It's probably over an hour away, and I've never been, so hopefully one day I will get to one. But for right now, if I don't order my fabric offline, then I just get it from Walmart. And this is another stretch fabric. Also plan on making bummies with these as well as headbands. I got 2.5 yards of it because it was just so pretty to me. And I wasn't sure if I made something with it and it sold, if I would be able to get more. So I just wanted to get a little bit more of this. And I picked up this ribbon. It's just white grosgrain ribbon. It is 100% polyester. So I'm going to be doing something cute with this for sublimation. And I'll do a video on it when I get started on this one. But I'm hoping my idea turns out great for this ribbon. Okay, and here is the other one that I showed you. So in total, 4 yards of this. And this was just too pretty to pass up. I love the little Aztec print on it. It's just really cute to me. I think it'll look cute with some bummies and headbands as well. Not sure what else I'll make with it, but it was 2.5 yards. It was $5, but I still feel like it was worth it because it was just so pretty. And then the last piece that I got was this one here. It was really cute to me as well. So that was 2.5 yards. And it was $5 also. So that's all I got for my fabric haul. But I want to show you guys my new camera that I got. And hopefully soon I'll start uploading videos with it. I've seen a ton of YouTube reviews on this camera. It's the Canon M50, the mirrorless. And the number one thing, well, there's two things that I really wanted this camera for. The first one was the flip out screen, not the flip up screen. And then the second one was the fact that it's mirrorless. That way when you go to hold something up, you don't have to go try to put your hand to get it to focus. It'll just snap in focus. So I'm going to open that and show you what it looks like. And I haven't started using it yet because I need to get me an SD card. I've had it for a little while now. I just keep forgetting to pick up a card. This is the front of it. And then this is the screen. I'll open it up and show you how it flips out. And then it also does this, where it turns. So you could have the lens this way and then have the flip out screen facing that way. So I thought that was pretty cool. And I got this from QVC. If you're looking for a camera, they do offer easy payments, which is like installment payments, and you can pay a certain % down, and then they'll break it up into either 3 months payment or 5 months payment, and it's pretty reasonable. Also, Amazon has them, and if you get them from Amazon, some of them come with really nice accessories. And this is the lens that came with it. I've never really used a professional camera, so it's going to take me a little bit of time to kind of learn it and get used to it. Let me go ahead and put that back in its bag. Once I start using it, I'll get me a carrying bag for it because I don't want to scratch it up or anything like that. I want to try and protect the lens on it and protect the screen on it as much as possible. And it came with a neck strap. And it just has Canon on it. And then this is the battery pack. I was looking in the box because, I don't know, I thought something was in this bag, but I guess not. And this is what the battery pack looks like. The battery is already in the camera. I put that in when I did my unboxing. So you just put the battery in here and then plug it in to charge the battery. So it's pretty cool. I'm anxious to get started using it, but there's one thing I'm not so for sure about, and it may be a dumb question, but if you know the answer, please let me know. I don't know if I should get just an SD card out of the store, or if it has to be an SD card that is specifically for cameras. I don't know. I've never had like a professional camera before. I really haven't had a camera since I was like a teenager. So, you know, nowadays we just use our phone. So, anyway, if you know, let me know. So again, this is my new camera, a Canon M50. That is it for the video today. Please don't forget to like the video. If you have any questions or any comments, leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe again if you're not already subscribed. And I will see you in the next one.